Hey, so it's my last morning in Bali. I've got a watermelon for breakfast and it's quite a nice temperature. It's not too hot. There's like a nice little breeze blowing, which is nice. Yeah, I think I'm gonna miss this place. I'm a little bit on the fearful side of going to Borneo, mainly because I've not really seen much footage on YouTube. Like, the reason why I came to Bali is because I saw a lot of Joe's footage, and obviously the raw food looked awesome, and it's a small island, and so going to Sabah of Borneo is quite daunting because it's big and I'm not familiar with it, so I'm pretty fearful about that. But there's nothing to be scared about. I just need to get over that barrier. So check it out, the Barney mobile. We're at the airport now. Got the bike box on my pump, and in the basket there's all my other stuff. And I got my backpack. And then here's the lovely glamorous setting in. So I'm here at 11:10. My flight doesn't leave till 3:30. Apparently, I thought it was earlier than that. I thought it was 2:50, but this is what it says on the screen. It says 3:30, which means I didn't really have to get here till like 1. Yeah. But I wanted to come early so I can pack the bike, eat my lunch, and then just chill out. I'm not really one of these people who gets a thrill from rushing, because I tend to forget things. So when you eat mangoes like a boss, there are a few things that you need to have. The first is a plastic bag to put all your rubbish, and the second, most vital, if you don't have a sink, you need to have lots of toilet paper or just tissue in general. A towel is a better idea because then you can just wash it. So here's my mangoes, and I'm gonna feast. So check what's hanging behind me. Do you not think that that is just so fucked up? Like, why do people walk past it and not think that it's just wrong? Like, I kind of feel my blood boiling a bit, actually. My face has gone a bit red. It's just, I just can't believe that this is classed as normal. Like, that is classed as normal. Like, what the fuck? Why aren't people questioning these dead animals being hung in windows? Like, what is going on? In an airport as well. It's just like, I don't know. I'm just really confused right now. I'm pretty upset. There's lots of durian sellers and mangosteen and other random stuff. Mainly durian. So this is my first durian in Malaysia. And it's okay. It's a rubbish seed to flesh ratio, like Bali. But it's okay. And it's 7:15. The sun sets earlier here, which kind of sucks because in Bali it mustn't set until about now. So it goes dark at 6:30 here. So